equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may exhibit symptoms such as reduced suction or unusual noises, indicating a motor failure. This can occur due to wear and tear or blockages, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs. To carry out the repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing. Gently lift the casing off, taking care not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the motor, which is typically situated at the base of the unit. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the screws holding the motor in place and gently lift it out. Take your new motor and position it where the old one was, securing it with screws. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. As you reassemble the casing, make sure all clips are aligned and screws are tightened without excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your device well maintained will extend its lifespan and performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.